Measuring quickly and accurately is important across all the trades, and today I'm going to show you 3 laser measures that are perfect for your job. Each laser measure comes out of the box ready to use, weighs less than your phone and has really big keys so you can use it easily. Each measure has a heavy duty skeleton and is encased in rubber, so it's drop resistant and water and dust proof. For simple distance measurements, simply point the laser measure at your target, press the button and get an instant real-time measurement. You can just as simply measure the angle, the area and the volume of a space, and the laser measure does all the maths for you. The only difference between each of these 3 models is their maximum range of 40, 60 and 80 meters respectively. The CPI distance measures are easy to use, remarkably accurate and a really good addition to your toolbox. If you've got any questions about the CPI laser measures, why don't you jump in that comment section below and let us know. Otherwise, I'm Tim and you're watching Sydney Tools TV.